Hey, my name's Tyson. This is my 1999 Subaru Legacy B4. What originally got me into cars was when I was younger, I'd always play with Hot Wheels, and I had one specific Camaro Hot Wheels that I always loved to play with, and somehow that converted to JDM cars over time, and now here I am. So I bought this car about a year ago from JDM Connections. Took about 3 months to get here. It's well worth the wait. It was completely stock as of like 2 or 3 months ago, and started off with throwing on some coil-overs, and from there threw on a wing and got a few parts painted, threw on some hella horns, put a new Blitz Nurspec exhaust on, took out a few cats of course, put a Go Fast Bits blow-off valve on, a Pexi air intake, and I threw on some Hippo Sleek eyelids, and I got a Turbo Smart boost gauge on, and got a few other gauges that I'm just waiting to throw on. Hopefully by next winter I can start throwing on a wide body maybe, but the whole process of cutting into the car is not ideal, so we'll see what happens with that. The next mod is going to be a front splitter I have on the way right now from Breton Customs. It's made for a WRX, but hopefully it'll fit this one. Hopefully after that I can get a bigger hood scoop thrown on and make it look a bit more aggressive. What originally made me want to get a Legacy was I saw my friends start to get the Legacy wagons and fell in love with the front end, but wasn't a fan of the whole wagon style, so heard about these and had to get one right away. My favorite part about my car is the Giala wing I threw on recently. In my opinion, it just ties the whole back end together and just completes the build. My dream car is, I know it's pretty basic, but probably just the R35 GTR. That free power from the beginning, barely any mods, so. My favorite memory of the car is probably when I went to go pick it up and realized it was purple and not blue like I thought it was the whole time when I was waiting for it. I'm Tyson. Thanks for watching this episode of Behind the Build of my car.